Hey Vibes, hey, Nikita here, Virtuous Vibe Network in full effect. It's our first episode, hey, first tutorial, get it. Okay, as you can see, I'm a little excited. Thank you so much for joining me. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that subscribe button, yeah, you know, right there, down below. And go ahead and get that notification started so that you guys can stay in tune with all our videos, tutorials, or whatever may be on Virtuous Network. Make sure you stay tuned because it will be the bomb. Now, I'm here today though to show you a little bit. It's kind of like a product testing tutorial sort of situation. I've been asked a lot about my eyelashes, who does them. Well, lo and behold, wish I had a drum roll. I do it myself. Yes. Best way to save money, best way to look beautiful, and be economical. I am a very frugal lady. I'm not cheap, but I am frugal. So I do believe in saving every penny. Every penny saved, every penny earned. So just to let you know, I want to start off first with what I use on my skin. I first wash my face with Clean and Clear. That's a Neutrogena product. It's for sensitive skin, so I would suggest if you have sensitive skin, use it. I also use on my face Dickinson's Witch Hazel. It's 100% all natural ingredients. As you can see, 100% all natural. However, on the back, when you look at the ingredients, the only ingredients are all natural distilled witch hazel containing natural grain alcohol and witch hazel extract. And all of this is from plants. So I just want to make you aware, if you're very, very big on natural skincare, witch hazel is the best way to go. I also am going to be using 50% alcohol because rubbing alcohol is really harsh for your skin. But I use it on my eyes because I want my eyelashes to stick for a very long time. So I use it on my eyes because my eyes actually, believe it or not, get really oily. This is just your basic tweezer. You can get it from any dollar store, any Fred Meyer. I chose to go to Fred Meyer. I love Fred Meyer. Hi, Fred Meyer. And the eyelashes that I'm going to use are the Kiss Couture eyelashes. I normally use Adell individual eyelashes. However, the reason I didn't use Adell this time is because it was more economical to buy this pack. So it was cheaper to buy this pack with 60 than to buy the Adell with 30. And also, I like the eyelashes. They're thinner as far as the line. That's the application line that goes on your eye, as well as they're thicker, so it gives me more of a fuller lash. I don't have to add as many. Now, here is the glue that I use. It's Adell glue. Please be very careful with this. This is a very sticky glue. It's like a silicone, kind of like what you would use for your lace fronts. However, this is for your eyes. You will want to use a remover of some sort, or you will want to let them fall off naturally. This will hurt if you pull them off. So I've shown you guys everything it is that I'm going to be using. As you can see, I've already prepped my face with witch hazel. However, I am going to go over my eyes one more time with the alcohol so that I can dry out my skin on my eyes. And so we're going to go ahead and get started, and we'll see you back soon. Ooh, excited. All right, Vibist. Let's see how it came out. I don't know if you can tell. Look, they look so natural, you can't even really see them. Well, you see that I have none here. See, and you see that I have them there. goodness, they look so natural. They came out so bomb. Yes, I like these. I have to make an adjustment though on the glue that I used. I did not use the Adell glue that I tried because it did not stick very well. Even though it has this sticky nature, it doesn't hold for me. So what I used is I used Duo eyelash adhesive, and that I used on the bottom of my own base lash so that I'll have a sticky base. And then I used your one and only hair glue. And the reason I use this is because this lasts me for days, even through tears. So I get a couple days, even through tears. So that's why I use this. But overall, I really like how they came out. I'll show you a tutorial exactly on how I did them later. But go ahead, comment, subscribe, hit those notifications, hit those likes. Let me know if you guys have any questions. They look like they're coming directly out of my eye, even when I do a close-up. So, I'm loving it. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Stay tuned.